Hello everyone, my name is Ayush Singh and today I'm going to show you how to create a Maven project, set up Rest Assured and write API tests for a flight fare calculator system. As flight fare calculator system is my project, as you can see here, and these are some certain attributes which I have to consider in the project, and the task overview and validation criteria is also given. So as per the project demands, I've already created a mock API for the same, as you can see here, and I can show it to you by running it on the local host. Yeah, here this is, as you can see it here. Okay, so our work is to uh, design the rest assured part for it. So let's get started for this. Okay. So first of all, we would have to open our Eclipse IDE, and here we will create project, new Maven project. Okay, create a simple project. Uh, Next, we will have to give group ID or an artifact ID as well. Let's give it flight project, and this same I will give in artifact ID as well. Finish. Okay, so our flight project, as you can see here, we are getting our flight project created. Maven project is being created here. Okay, so the next step for our rest assured part is to add dependencies in the pom.xml file. Uh, so here we have to create dependencies tag, and I have already copied the required dependencies. So let me paste it here. Wait. Uh, Here we can get it. All of the dependencies that are required for the project, and we can get these dependencies from the online Maven repository. Yeah, after this, control S for saving it. So after adding the dependencies, we will have to go to the src test Java, and let me show you what dependencies I have added. I have added rest assured dependencies for API testing, TestNG as test framework, and I have also added Jackson data band for working with JSON if needed. So after doing this all, we can go to src test Java, this folder here, and now we will have to create a new package. Here we can let's say name project. In this new package, we will create a new test class here. Let's give it a name, flight fare calculator. Okay. So after doing this all, we will get our uh, Java test class for doing the testing part. So after coming here, we need to import some of the static packages which are very important for the rest assured. So I have already copied it, and now I will paste it here. So as you can see, these static packages are very important for the project. Okay, so uh, we are going to have we are going to do two HTTP requests. First one is post, and second one is patch. So for the same, we will create two uh, two functions or two methods, we can say, for post request, and one like this for uh, patch. Because why we are using patch here? Because we don't have to update the whole response body. We just need to update the base fare. So we will use patch here. Also, I can add the rest at the rate test annotation to uh, keep it as a TestNG test class, test method, sorry. So I have used at the rate test. Okay. So now import the TestNG. Okay. So we will have to give the base URI first, as the question says. We need to give base URI, and base URI we can get it from here. Yes, up to this 3000. Copy this and paste it here. So we got the base URI, and now we need to create a hash map uh, for sending our response as in the form of JSON form. In the JSON application format, we need to create a hash map. So let's create a hash map. Hash map, let's name it data is equals to new hash map. Okay, so I have created it, and since we are doing the post request, so we need to add the data that we are going to provide here as the request. So data dot put, and let's see in which format I have given the. Okay, so we have given here ID, flight, source, destination, travel date. So I would not give the whole request response, but I would, let's say, let's go for the whole. Let's see. So let's create ID 104, let's say. Just like this, I will copy it and paste it. Okay, so we were having attributes like flight. Let's give it a new name like what we have given earlier. Um, we have already Indigo, JetAirways, SpiceJet, so let's name it as Indian Airways. Indian Airways. Let's say travel date is what date is today? 7/04/2025. Okay. Uh, base where I can give it as, let's say, base where 3500. Forgot to give the source and destination, so let us give it here. Source, let the source be let's say from Bihar. Keep it as Patna, and the destination as, let's say, Delhi. Okay. What attributes are left now? Passenger. Passengers, let's say I'm traveling alone, so one. And what have I not added here so far? Passengers, flight travel date, base where I've already added. Taxes. Let's say taxes are 500 rupees. So the total amount would become data dot put total fare. Total fare would become how much? 3500 plus 500, 4000. 4000. Let me arrange it in the same way as it is. I have done previously. So the source and destination would be at the top after the flight. Here, travel date, base fare, passenger, taxes, total fare. Okay, done. need to make some changes here. Some errors I have created. Okay, need to uh, change some spelling mistakes. Correct it. Let me correct it as well. Equal to. Okay. And one more here. Okay. Now we are good to go. And let's try to run it as TestNG test. Maximizes. Okay. So as we can see here that both of the tests have run passed successfully and no failures are there. And all, let me show you the uh, log responses that I've got. Okay, for the ID 101 Indigo, uh, successfully the updation has been done, and by using the post method, these new response body has been created as well. So we can check it here as well. Let me refresh it, and as you can see, since I have run it twice, we can get it here 2 times. But the main logic is that by using rest assured and the post and patch method, we have completed our project successfully. And I hope so. That's how you can create a Maven project and set up rest assured and perform API testing using post and patch methods. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video if I make in the future. Thank you. Bye bye.